Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be making chicken balls. To make them, 1 medium size boiled potato, 5 to 6 pieces boiled chicken and 1 teaspoon garlic paste. Mix them together and refrigerate for 2 hours. Cornflakes powder. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon jeera powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder and 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Now we will mix them together with gentle hand. Now I grease my hand with oil so that mixture does not stick on my palm. Make a smooth balls like this. Beaten eggs. Heated the pan low to medium flame. I dip it with beaten eggs and coat with cornflakes powder. Let's fry. I will put few balls at a time. Let them fry golden brown all the sides. Turn after some time. Can't wait to have one. Do try and let us know. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, please do subscribe, like, share and comment. Catch you in my next video. Till then, tata, bye bye. Stay safe.